Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg has stated that AI could replace mid level software engineers. In a recent interview, Mark has stated that AI could soon replace mid level software engineers by writing automated codes. Currently, this mid level software engineers demand a salary of up to six figures. So you might have often heard people saying that AI will soon replace you at your work. That might be true, maybe not. But what is definitely true is that if you do not learn AI tools, my friend, then by 2025, someone who knows AI tools will definitely replace you. So don't miss out this chance on learning the new and trending top AI tools so that no one replaces you at work and you work efficiently. So this is the video for you. In this video, I am going to tell you about the top 10 AI tools that I use at my work every day to stay efficient and irreplaceable at my work. So let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to my channel AI Elevate with Shikal. In today's video, I am going to talk about top AI tools that are going to working IT professionals in their daily life to improve their efficiency and be more productive at work, so they are not replaced by AIs. Don't worry, that's not going to happen anytime soon, but it is very important that you know and use these AI tools in your daily life. So it is going to help you work more efficiently and you will be able to do more things that are more other things. You will be able to do other things that are more important than do tedious automated work. The first tool that I have for you is Notion.io. It enhances your project management by summarizing notes, generating tasks, and automating your workflows. So it is to automate tedious tasks, giving you more time to work on to focus on important work. Otter is going to transcribe your meetings, record your meetings, and to take notes in real time. So it is going to save your time that is wasted in manual note taking. So you can refer these transcripts to highlight the key takeaway points from your meetings. It is going to automatically assign tasks to your teammates. So it is going to save the time of the team leader to delegate the task to his teammates. It can also segregate the speaker as to which statement was made by which speaker. So later on you can refer this segregated transcripts to know what happened in the meeting and who said what. Tool number 3 is obviously ChatGPT, a very famous, very well known and widely used AI tool. Everyone is already aware of you. I believe most of you will already be using it. The uses are endless. It can be used for research work, for drafting your mail, for writing complex codes, answering your complex questions, writing blog posts, like endless possibilities. Tool number 4 is slides.io. It is going to help you generate stunning presentations using very simple prompts. All you have to do is just enter a prompt and the topic of your presentation. Within seconds, it is going to give you a stunning looking presentation along with titles, headlines, contexts, creative images. Obviously it is customizable as per your needs, but it is going to save you a lot of time in your work. Tool number 5 is, again, it is a very famous extension. It can be added to your group. It is grammarly.io. I know most of you might already be using it. It is a very useful, I think it is a must have tool for every IT professional. It is going to enhance your writing by correcting the tone of your sentences, correcting your spellings. It is going to give you suggestions. On 7 we have Canva. It is a very famous tool within the content creators. It is used to create posts, presentations, slides, blog posts, templates, posters, uh, anything. I personally use it for my thumbnail creation or sometimes posters creations. It has a free version as well as paid version. Free would be also enough. On number 8, we have perplexity.ai. It is a very well known AI driven search engine. Just like you have Chrome or you have ChatGPT, it is a chat engine, but it is trusted and it gives real time answers. And people who are more into research can use it extensively. Because I have seen people using Perplexity over ChatGPT, because ChatGPT gives more of an explanation, whereas overview of the resources. So you can use both and see which works more for your work, which suits better for your work. On number 9, we have Midjourney. So Midjourney is an AI tool that is going to generate images based upon the text input prompts that are given as the input. It is a very powerful tool that is used by content creators. It is a very creative tool where imagination is the only limit. It can generate realistic images of things that do not even exist. So someone who is into more creative work can use this, like content creators, blog writers, or video generators, all of this type. Or even if in general also, if you are creating some slides and you want to create images which does not even exist, some imaginative images that you want to use in your slides and presentations, then you can go for it. But it's a paid service. So if you really want to make your work impactful, then you can go for this tool. And on 10, we have last but not the least, Deep AI. It can generate chat, images, videos, and music based upon the text input that is given to it. It is used extensively by content creators who are on the creative side. Although it is paid, but the quality of work that it provides, it's absolutely amazing. So who is into a creative side can totally go for this, worth it. I hope you found this video helpful, and let me know if you want me to create a dedicated video on individual tools that I have discussed in this video. So in that dedicated video, I can give you a practical demonstration of how to use that particular tool in detail, a practical implementation or using one example of each tool. So let me know in the comments box and I can create that video for you. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and write in the comment box below what videos do you want me to create next. Bye, I will see you in my next video.